Friends, today I am going to cook an innovative recipe for you. Mustard ghee roasted. I am using very less oil in it. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. I have half a kg of mustard green with me. Now I am going to separate the stems and leaf. Do all like this. Then I have some fenugreek green leaf. If you don't have, you can use fenugreek seed powder or kasuri methi, but dried fenugreek leaf. Now I have some baby onions. I'm going to cut this into half, just half piece. If anything big, just you can cut off. Okay, something like this. Piece of ginger, cut into small piece so that easy can. So I am going to crush this. Now I have garlic in it. This is also going to be crushed. Now some black pepper, cumin seed, some green chilies. I am going to slit in like this, not fully, because I don't want to be too spicy. If anyone want to remove from this, he can remove easily. And if you want to bite someone, he can bite also. Just cut from down. 1 lemon, pinch of turmeric, that's enough. A spoonful. This much amount of coriander powder. Finally, this much amount of only garam masala. I have some coriander leaves also. Going to chop this fine. Some butter also. Using only 1/4 of this butter. Boil some water. Add some salt. Water is boiled well. Now add this stems. That's boiled, removed from the water. Now the leaf. Today I am going to cook with very less oil. So first I am going to add some water in it. It's boiled. Now the onions. Cook this in a water with some salt. a piece of green chili, add this ginger, garlic, add our methi leaves, fenugreek leaf, and cook this up. Cumin, black pepper, turmeric, and coriander powder. Still adding not any sort of oil in it, just cooking in water. Now add the stems. Add a little more salt. Cover it up and cook in a slow fire. Now add these leaves. Try to put it in a separate. Now add butter in it. Let cook and reduce the butter. Saute in between and reduce the butter. Add some garam masala on top. A pinch of garam masala, that's it. See, the green chilies are hot. If anyone want, they can remove it easily. Spice already come to this vegetable. Onion also looking soft. An aroma is coming from the dish. Now finally add coriander leaves. Cook for 2-3 minutes only. Finally add the lemon juice. Yes, it's ready. Friends, if you like this innovative recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest future innovative recipes. That will reach you immediately if you hit the bell icon and enable all. Thank you very much.